Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Happy Friday to you all. It's October 24th. Just one economic news release scheduled for today, and that's the new home sales for the month of September. So back in August, we had 466,000 new home sales, and for September, it's supposed to drop a little bit to 455, and actually exceeded or ran the same range as we saw in August at 467. So good overall numbers in the new home sales department. Now next week, be prepared. We're gonna have some pretty big volatility. There's gonna be one of the biggest keys will be the Fed meeting Fed meeting next week. What's going to be important about that is this is supposed to be on schedule to be the last the QE payment, so purchasing 15 billion in mortgage-backed securities. Now, the reason why that's important is because it's been brought up that potentially the Fed could continue this purchase instead of this being the last one. Also, they want to see if there's any change into the wording about the possible interest rate hike. If they're going to considerable time, if they're going to change that out, the considerable time portion in the wording of their statement for the possible interest rate hike section. So be prepared for midweek, some volatility leading to that. Currently, the stock market's up, but we could see some pullback a little bit or some conservative moves by the end of the day today, because they're going to be releasing this weekend on Sunday the release of the ECB Stress Test. The ECB will be releasing this, and they might want to err to the caution side just in case there's been surprises. So a lot of times they will go to a flight of safety and we'll have an improvement in interest rates as a result. Just as err to caution. As a result, we're up about 5 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So overall, the week we're down slightly from Monday to today, but from yesterday we're up about 5 basis points. So there'll be pretty a slight improvement, but for the week period we're down from where we left off Monday. Okay, folks, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And again, next week we got a lot of news coming out with the PCE, the Fed's favorite gauge for inflation, to the first initial GDP numbers for third quarter will be coming out next week, and then of course the biggie would be the Fed meeting. Okay, have a wonderful day, enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.